Single-arm robots has made great strides, but when it comes to real-robot interaction, they often not enough. From healthcare to industrial assembly, multi-arm systems are essential for handling complex, contact-rich, and coordinated tasks. But there's still a major bottleneck, bringing the gap between advanced hardware and intelligent adaptive control. Our workshop directly aims at this challenge. We focus on empowering multi-arm robots to not only move, but also reason, coordinate, and adapt, especially in unstructured and dynamic environment. Our workshop tackles key challenges with respect to adaptive intelligent multi-arm manipulation, as coordinate controls in dynamic interactions, how to enable multi-armed and possible humans to act in sync in time-sensitive, unpredictable environments, and impact-aware manipulation ensures safe stabilities and adaptabilities during the physical contact. Third is a learned transfers and generalization, enable robots to acquire and reuse complex skills from demonstration or past expertise. These challenges lies at the intersection of motion planning, control theories, and learning, requiring fundamentally new approach to intelligent multi-arm manipulation.
To explore this area, we have brought together leading voice in the field, Professor Alessandro Saccon on impact-aware manipulation, Dr. Yiren from Huawei on dual-arm dexterity, Professor Fei Chen on embodied AI and manipulation, Professor Yanpei Huang on human-robot collaborative.
In addition to keynotes, we offer roundabout discussion, poster presentations, and spotlight presentations, designed especially for earlier career researchers, affording a rare opportunity to both showcase their work and receive direct feedback from the field leader. Submissions are still open, and we welcome everything from novel ideas to lessons learning from failed experiments. Thank you, and we are looking forward to see you on October 20th at room 103B.